Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed to help you define your eyes with precision and long-lasting color. The Almay All-Day Eyeliner Pencil in 205 Black. If you've been on the hunt for an eyeliner that promises durability without compromising on skin safety, keep watching. This eyeliner claims to deliver up to 16 hours of wear. It's oil-free, water-resistant, and smudge-proof, meaning it's designed to stay put even through a busy day. The formula is packed with vitamin E, so it doesn't just enhance your eyes, but also nurtures the delicate skin around them. And of course, it's hypoallergenic, ophthalmologist-tested, fragrance-free, and cruelty-free. Whether you're someone with sensitive eyes or just prefer products that align with clean beauty standards, this one ticks a lot of boxes. Let's talk about how it actually performs. I tried this eyeliner for several days, both for everyday office wear and for more intense, long-lasting looks. First off, the built-in sharpener is a huge win. It keeps the pencil point precise, which is essential for sharp, defined lines. The texture is smooth and it glides on easily without any tugging. I applied it in the morning and went about my day, and I was impressed that it held up well through sweat, humidity, and even a couple of accidental face touches. We've all been there. But how does it really stand up to the claim of being smudge-proof? Well, it truly lives up to that promise. By the end of my long day, I didn't see any smearing or fading. The color remained bold, with no signs of it disappearing or migrating under my eyes. It's one of those eyeliners you can rely on for both day-to-night wear. There's always a flip side, though. While the pencil is great for definition, I did find that it's not as easy to smudge for a more smoky eye look. If you're looking for something to blend out for a softer smudged effect, this might not be your go-to. But if you're after something that stays exactly where you put it, this is a solid option. Now let's talk value for money. At 0.01 ounce, this pencil packs a punch with its long-lasting wear and nourishing ingredients. While the size might seem small, the formula is so concentrated that you don't need to use much at all. When compared to similar eyeliners in this price range, the Almay All-Day Eyeliner Pencil holds up well, especially given its skin-friendly attributes. In terms of packaging, it's functional, and the built-in sharpener is a nice touch. There are no fancy frills, just practical design that makes it easy to use and carry around. So would I recommend this eyeliner? Absolutely, especially if you have sensitive eyes or prefer cruelty-free and hypoallergenic products. The longevity, ease of use, and nourishing ingredients make it a standout, particularly for those who need a reliable, long-wear eyeliner. It's perfect for anyone seeking an eyeliner that's both functional and gentle on the skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.